Today recipe is chicken tacos. Ingredients: 1 pound boneless skinless chicken breasts cut into small pieces. 1/2 medium onion, diced. 1/2 medium bell pepper, diced. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 packet of taco seasoning or homemade blend of chili powder, cumin, paprika, and salt. 8 to 10 corn tortillas. Shredded lettuce. Diced tomatoes. Shredded cheese. Sour cream or Greek yogurt. Salsa, mild or spicy. Avocado, optional. Cilantro, optional. Instructions. In a large skillet, heat 1 tablespoon of oil over medium-high heat. Add the chicken and cook until browned. About 5 to 6 minutes. Add the diced onion and bell pepper to the skillet and cook until tender, about 3 to 4 minutes. Add the garlic and taco seasoning to the skillet and cook for 1 minute. Warm the tortillas by wrapping them in a damp paper towel and microwaving for 20 to 30 seconds. Assemble the tacos by placing a portion of the chicken mixture onto a tortilla. Serve immediately and enjoy. Homemade taco seasoning recipe: 2 tablespoons chili powder. 1 tablespoon ground cumin. 1 tablespoon paprika. 1 tablespoon salt. 1/2 tablespoon black pepper. Mix all ingredients together and store in an airtight container. Salsa recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup diced fresh tomatoes. 1/2 cup diced red onion. 1/4 cup diced fresh cilantro. 1 jalapeno pepper, seeded and finely chopped. 1 lime juiced. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: mix all ingredients in a bowl. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to allow flavors to meld. Serve with tortilla tacos. Here is a rough estimate of the calorie count for chicken tacos. 2 tacos with 2 ounces grilled chicken breast. 120 calories. 1/2 cup shredded lettuce, 10 calories. 1/2 cup diced tomatoes, 25 calories. 1/4 cup diced avocado, 100 calories. 1 tablespoon salsa, 5 calories. 1 tablespoon sour cream, 50 calories. 2 corn tortillas, 140 calories. Total calories per serving approximately 450 calories. This is a rough estimate, and actual calorie count may vary based on specific ingredients and portion sizes.